Hampton and Moeraki, two quiet little coastal towns comfortably nestled amongst the bustling region of North Otago. Situated between these small settlements lay Kokohi Beach, an ordinary coastline with sand, sea and sun. This beach hosts many plant species, making it the perfect sanctuary for a diverse range of wildlife. However, the stunning wildlife is not the only reason that this beach is one of many New Zealand natural wonders. The Moeraki boulders, a natural geological phenomenon and an extremely popular tourist attraction. Their abnormal size, spherical shape and mysterious origins have attracted the attention of many scientists. There are over 50 of these large boulders scattered along the shorelines that are believed to have formed approximately 54 to 65 million years ago during the Paleocene period. Each of these boulders measure approximately 2 meters wide and are known as calcite concretions that were formed by sedimentary rock, more specifically mudstone. Although the exact process of their formation still remains a mystery, scientists speculate that they may have started as a core of a fossil shell, bone fragment or a piece of wood and had formed on the sea floor. At the time, New Zealand's climate was much warmer, despite being close to the South Pole. This climate is what made New Zealand the perfect host to numerous ancient plant and animal species. The site the boulders are located was most likely once a shallow coastal lagoon. As particular organic material fell into the lagoon, a chemical reaction was triggered. This material then began to diffuse fatty acid, which was then immersed into the surrounding sedimentary rocks. The calcite carbonate is caused by the mineral calcite, causing yellow and orange crystal to layer around the centre of the forming concretion. Whilst the concretion continued to develop, the calcite acted as glue, which held together layers of mudstone that was then acted as a thick layer around the concretion. This chemical reaction continued until the fatty acid within the centre of the concretion had fully disappeared, causing the reaction to come to a standstill. These concretions remained submerged in what was then known as marine mud for several million years, until they were eventually uplifted and the surrounding mudstone was eroded away. After this process, many of the concretions formed large cracks known as sectaria. Then, brown and yellow calcite, as well as a small portion of quartz and dolomite, progressively began filling these cracks, when a drop in the sea level allowed for the fresh groundwater to flow through the mudstone, enclosing them. Some are still traversed in cracks, revealing the calcite, while some have had the upper part worn away, leaving only a hollow shell. Originally, scientists believed that this process took several million years to occur, but recent studies contradict this statement and they now suggest it only took a few years. These boulders have remained here ever since and have attracted the attention of scientists and tourists alike. Back in the 19th century, this natural phenomenon was a popular souvenir, with many people taking segments of the rocks and gifting it. Due to this, the Moeraki boulders remain heavily protected to prevent this from happening again. The Moeraki boulders give us a glimpse of what New Zealand was once like, a land of endless wilderness and a place where natural wonders unfold.